We are a platform for dialogue. They come together, they come up with what ends up as a benchmark, not set by any single chamber or interest group in our country. It is set really by true Malaysians from all aspects of life. The benchmark is necessary for us as a country. And with the 17 SDGs right there out there determining how we're going to place our work and all of that, benchmarks are very, very important. Okay? The second thing it does is it demonstrates a transparent and participatory process in this country, which is what all Malaysia Baru is all about right now, right? Participation, transparency, all governments, all people of Malaysia coming together and saying, this is what we want our country to be. Well, these standards are what the people of Malaysia wanted.
森林工业长期被套上摧毁森林的标签，如何改变森林工业的未来，关键就在于森林政策以及生意模式。马来西亚森林管理委员会花了7年的时间，拟定了208项指标和634项森林管理标准，以确保我国的森林资源能达到可持续性管理的目标，同时也成为东盟第一个制定森林管理标准的国家。
By consulting with businesses, NGOs, communities, workers, and indigenous peoples, we set higher standards than any other timber certification scheme, and these are the foundation of FSC certification. We here in FSC Malaysia aims to see that Malaysia's forests are for all forever.
根据2017年自然资源和环境部的调查显示，从2006年到2016年之间，非法伐木所带来的损失达到了1520万令吉。森林管理不只是环境保护的呼声，也扮演着强化我国森林经济的角色。
FSC's reason for giving you a way to manage forests well or better is because if you do not put all these things in place, forests are just disappearing. People have no value for forests because these standards are not only a manual to work with. These standards are the basis for this logo. This logo is what's giving value to wood. And so when people go out there to the shops and you buy your milk carton and you choose that, you are choosing forests.